you play basketball if you fail that test?
I already speak English.
Okay. Well, go ahead. Go ahead, you gotta figure it out. Hey, before you go, let's play this out. Okay? You go with them, you get drunk. Now that you're drunk, you can't play basketball. How long before you drop out? I'll give it a week. So now you're a 17-year-old wino. When you're a wino, you're doing what winos do best. You're going to jail. Once, twice, third time you get a hard judge. The judge gives you two choices. You got jail, you got the army. Which one you gonna take?
Army ain't so bad.
All right, no, you're right, it's not. Except you forgot about one thing. War! So then you're in Afghanistan. You know what they got in Afghanistan? Landmines. Boom! You got no legs. So now what happens? You right back here. You in the streets, but let's remember, you got no diploma. You got no feet. You got no job. That means you're back at the liquor store, getting drunk all damn day. Now that you're drunk all day, you try to steal, because you don't have a job. But stealing ain't going too good, because you can't run. You know why you can't run? Because you got no feet. Now you're stuck living in a refrigerator box. Here's the bad thing. You're lonely, you're in the gutter, and you're legless. Is that what you want? Huh?
I think I'm gonna go back inside now.
You gonna walk?
Run.
Okay.
Sprint.
All right. Because you didn't have legs, you got the crawl. All right, man. Go ahead. Or something else. The dumbest damn kid in the school.